Hey guys, today I thought I'd show you how to restore your hood liner on your car. It should be a pretty simple, cheap, and easy process, so let's go ahead and see how it works. We're going to show you, I peeled off the layer that was starting to come off. It's the black layer, the top one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean around the hood itself and paint the faded hood liner with an upholstery paint. Alright, so for cleaning the engine bay, I'm going to start with some soapy water, diluted about 10 to 1, maybe 20 to 1. Might have to add some more because as you can see there's a lot of built-up grease there. And then after that I'm going to use Chemical Guy's EcoSmart Wireless Wash and Wax. So I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Now, as for spray bottles, you can get one at the dollar store. They should be open right now even though we are under quarantine. Alright, so I kind of got everything masked off. There we go. I gotta say, turned out pretty well. I mean, sure, it's not perfect. If I wanted that, I'd have to get a replacement, but yeah, considering I saved some money, not a bad option if you got an older car, especially when they don't make hood liners for it anymore. Went through about 2 cans of this stuff. That's probably what you're gonna need, especially if you have a large hood like mine. But yeah, up next is gonna be an engine detail, so stay tuned. Hey guys, hello. So today I thought I'd detail the engine bay. Let me do it before for you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and finished detailing the engine bay. I'm gonna put on the trim dressing, not done yet. This is what it looks like before. Also, I got a little replacement piece, so it should look a lot better. That one's kind of worn out. As for the trim restore, I'm using Meguiar's Ultimate Black. This stuff works very well. I mean, at least in the past, I've had good luck with it. And it's water-based, it's not silicone-based, so it's not gonna get all sticky. And what that happens is when it gets all sticky, dirt's going to stick to it, and all that work you spent detailing the engine is going to go to waste. Got it all done. Turned out great. This is the garbage trucks here. Well, the car's all done. Detailed the engine bay. Of course, you saw the headliner, the light. Turned out great.